we are ready to dock in. We're going to dock into door 24, slide times all the way back, and leave trailer doors shut, and loader will come let me know when they're ready to start loading me. 24 will be just a little bit behind me. Need to get my tandems over here more though. And we'll get backed up over there. We're gonna be 24 will be right where the driver who apparently used to drive for JCT and probably paid his truck off and started running on his own authority is parked or docked in. I need some left off track to get my tandems going the right direction. This is a little too slow. Alright, looks like we should have a winner there. Damn truck coming out of creep mode. Well, that's right on the money there. I wouldn't say right on the money, but pretty damn close. Alright, we're going to be far enough away where I can get the doors open when it's time to open. I'm probably way too far forward, but it's alright. As long as I'm not in anybody's way trying to dock in or out, I can always back up if need be.